2K Trader reporting live. Or you already know 10,000 steps a day, healthy, wealthy, power to positive manifestation, and manifesting these stock prices. Listen, the stock market is becoming more bullish. I'm checking out my charts. I'm looking at different companies like Tesla, semiconductors, Nvidia, AMD. They're buying shares. They're buying shares. The big boys is buying shares. Investors is buying shares. They're buying these companies. All this stuff with China, tariffs, and all that stuff, don't worry about it. Be in a position to buy some more stocks. AMD, Nvidia, Tesla, they're making power moves right now. Let's get into it. 2K Trader, share with 10 others and be truly blessed. Like and subscribe to my content and check me for the next update. Peace, y'all.